Utrecht right now. The air actually smells like fresh oxygen instead of Snoop Dogg's living room. And there are about 50% fewer people trying to run me over with a bicycle. In this video, I'm taking you through the beautiful city center. Plus, we've got to find a giant teapot and a rusted bicycle along the way. Then a massive shopping mall and a killer food festival. Don't tell Amsterdam I said that, but it might actually be better. I mean, just look at this setup. You can literally eat your lunch at water level inside these old wharf cellars while ducks plot to steal your fries. And right when you think you've seen it all, you just look up and boom, the Dom Tower. It's huge, it's intimidating, and it's basically the ultimate built-in compass. You could be totally lost, look up, and immediately know where you are, which is great because my sense of direction is terrible. But honestly, even if you just wander aimlessly down these sidewalks, it's a win. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this whole situation. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. The streets are suspiciously clean, and the cafes are packed with people just soaking up the sun. And do you notice what's missing? The massive crowds of tourists stopping every 2 seconds to stare at a map. You can actually walk in a straight line here. It's just locals living their best lives. It's a miracle. Speaking of wandering around, I promised you some weird stuff, right? Exhibit A. A completely squashed, roasted bicycle embedded in the pavement like an ancient Dutch fossil. Exhibit B. A massive teapot just chilling on a roof. But let's talk about why these canals hit different. In Amsterdam, if you try to sit by the water, you're either paying €9 for a sparkling water or getting hit by a tourist's rental boat. Here in Utrecht, those wharf cellars are the real deal. They were built in the 13th century so merchants could unload goods directly from boats to their warehouses. Now, they're just professional chill zones. It's like the whole city has a massive underground VIP section that never closes. And honestly, the vibe is just human. You don't feel like you're an extra in a Disney-fied version of a city. You feel like you're actually invited to the party. Look at this. People are actually living here, not just posing for their Instagram feed. When you walk these streets like these spots I'm showing you now, it's clean, it's relaxed, and nobody is trying to sell you a canal cruise ticket every 4 minutes. In Amsterdam, I have to navigate a sea of people wearing matching bachelor party shirts just to get to the grocery store. Here, it's just locals, bikes that aren't trying to murder you, and people enjoying a glass of something cold. Notice the architecture, too. It's got that medieval, I've seen some stuff character. But it's not crumbling under the weight of 10 million visitors a year. It's refreshing. It's like someone took the best parts of a Dutch postcard and actually let real people live inside it. Next up, we're cutting through Hoog Catharijne. It's this massive, ultra-modern shopping mall right in the city center. Just look at the inside of this place. It's got glass walkways, giant indoor trees, and literally a water feature right in the middle of the floor. And because the Dutch absolutely love a terrace, they've even got open restaurants spilling right into the walkways where you can smash some tacos while watching people speed walk to the shops. But listen, the most important thing in here isn't the fashion or the food, it's this. Our holy trinity of garbage bins, plastic, paper, and other. We take recycling very seriously here. Put the wrong thing in the wrong hole, and a local will silently judge you. Okay, educational moment over. Moving on. Now, let's skip ahead a bit. The sun drops, the fairy lights come on, and this city completely transforms into something magical. This right here is peak Dutch coziness. It's that cozy, warm feeling you get walking past these softly lit cafes, smelling the amazing food, and watching locals bike home under the twilight sky. The evening chill sets in, the vibe gets super relaxed, and honestly, it just makes you want to drop everything, grab a glass of wine, and sit on a terrace all night. Now, let's skip ahead. Utrecht feels like the city that actually likes its residents. It's quiet, it's classy, and it doesn't need to shout to get your attention. As the sun dips, these historic brick buildings just start glowing. It's that classic Dutch coziness that Amsterdam tries to sell on billboards, but here in Utrecht, it's just the default setting. Walking through streets like this one, you feel the history without the chaos. And because Utrecht loves to be just a little bit quirky, look down. See this? It's a handprint embedded right in the sidewalk. It's like our own version of the Walk of Fame, but instead of Hollywood stars, it's local legends and artists. But wait, plot twist. We need to rewind back to this afternoon because you absolutely cannot miss this. Pure, unfiltered sunshine at a local food festival, right in a gorgeous green park. You have to understand, the second the sun peaks out in the Netherlands, we collectively abandon all our responsibilities and run outside. The energy here is insane. Amazing street food, great music, zero stress, and basically the best outdoor block party you've ever seen. Utrecht, you seriously know how to live. Thanks for walking with me, guys. Look, you made it to the end, which means we're basically friends now. So be a good friend and hit that subscribe button. It's free, it keeps me fed, and it helps prove to the world that Utrecht is just objectively cooler.